In this video, I will walk you through the steps you need to take to obtain the student workbook for our Math 092 online class. You have two options. You can purchase the printed workbook from the MCC bookstore for $22. On the right, you will see a picture of the cover and the title and the ISBN number. You also have the option to print the workbook from your own home, from your own printer using your printer, your paper, and your own ink. If you're going to print it at home, here are the steps you need to follow. When you're in our Math 092 course in More, click on Course Materials and Resources. Then you will click on Introductory Algebra Student Workbook 7th edition, and a PDF file of the entire workbook will come up and you will be able to print the workbook in its entirety. Notice the entire workbook is 380 pages. This includes all 12 units of the course, and you will get all of them at the same time. Your other option is to print one unit at a time. For instance, let's say you only want to print Unit 1. Click on Unit 1 in our More course. Click on Workbook 7th edition, Unit 1. Now you'll be brought to a PDF file, but it's only of Unit 1. Notice how it's only 29 pages. So you could print unit by unit. Every time you finish one unit, you could print the next unit. If you're printing from home, you will need to put hole punches into the sides of your paper and organize it in a 3-ring binder so you can keep it all neat and organized with your class materials. Hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any questions.